Yo, what up everyone? This is Tuck Notes here, and this is your how to do section. And boy, I've got something to show you that Hugo and I and my dad have been working on a project all day. And basically, we had all this ice plant here. All of this was thinned out, so we thickened it in this area, down around in this area. We also planted all these little babies, and I'm watering them right now. And I'm just learned from Hugo how much pressure to use for the water, because I didn't want to leave and not know how much water pressure for these things. So check it out. This is how much water pressure you do. See that? It's hardly even on. Very little water pressure. You don't want to destroy the plant. But I got all these rocks from way up that driveway. It's probably like, I don't know, 8 to 10 of these. This guy's the man. He's the hombre, maestro. Hugo. Hugo, do you want to tell the people what you did today? ¿Y amor en español?
Oh,
Yeah.
sí. Ahí esto que me está